Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be repairing this HP 24-F0024 all-in-one computer. As you can see, the screen is cracked on the left side, so we're going to have to swap the screen out for a new one. So let's get into the video. We're going to start with using a pry tool to lift the plastic cover on the stand. Using a Phillips screwdriver, remove the two screws holding the stand in place. Remove the stand and take out the three screws holding the speaker bezel. Lay the computer flat. Then, using a spudger, gently remove the speaker bezel from the computer, exposing the screws. Again, using a Phillips screwdriver, remove the 5 screws holding the screen's frame to the chassis. Using a pry tool, gently work your way around the sides of the screen and lifting the retention clips. Be careful to slowly lift the screen towards you so you don't yank and potentially damage any of the cables. Now we remove the cables running from the screen assembly to the motherboard. To avoid damaging cables, it's very important to gently pry them out from the tabs at the edges, and not to pull straight out, as that can break one of the small internal wires. Now, we disconnect the cables from the broken screen to transfer to the new one. To avoid damaging the cables, it's very important to gently pry them out from the tabs at the edges, and not to pull straight out, as that can break one of the small internal wires. Remove the 11 screws holding the frame to the screen. Transfer the frame to the new screen. Replace all the screws we took out of the frame. Plug the backlight, LVDS, and touch cables back in to their ports on the screen. When plugging them back in, make sure to put pressure evenly from the sides of the cable head and not pushing with your fingers straight down, as that can damage the cables. Make sure they are fully plugged in. If not all the pins are contacting properly, it will cause display issues. Now, we replace the cables into their correct ports on the motherboard. Just like before, make sure they are fully plugged in to avoid any display issues. Lay the screen back into place, and using the palm of your hand very gently, apply even pressure all around the edges to snap the screen back into place. Do not use your thumbs, as this can crack the screen. Now we replace the screws to the LCD frame. Replace the speaker bezel, snap the retention clips back into place, and screw it back in from the bottom of the computer. Then, you slot the stand back into place, tighten the 2 screws, and close the plastic cover. This is how you repair a cracked screen on an HP 24-F0024 all-in-one computer. If you need to source a replacement screen, there will be a link down below. If you don't want to do this repair yourself, you can reach out to us on our website over at lcdguarantee.com or our email at info@lcdguarantee.com, where we offer a mail-in repair service. Thanks for watching.